Imagine this. Your child looks at you with fear in their eyes, not because they don't love you, but because they're afraid of what happens. Now, ask yourself, what are we truly teaching them when punishment becomes the solution? Is it discipline or is it something far more damaging? Let me show you some tips. 1. Understand the emotional toll punishment takes. When a child is punished, whether through spanking, yelling, or grounding, they begin to associate love with fear. Instead of learning from their mistakes, tip 2, recognize how punishment affects brain development. Punishment activates the brain's stress response, which can impair the development of important brain structures. Over time, this increases the likelihood of emotional issues. It's truly about embracing the journey, not just the destination. Tip 3, practice positive discipline instead of punishment. But there's a better way. Positive discipline focuses on understanding, guiding, and empowering your child to make better choices instead of fear. But there's a better way. Positive discipline focuses on understanding. Tip 4, understand the long-term benefits of positive parenting. Children who grow up in environments that foster emotional understanding, but compliance and consistencies without punishment are more likely to thrive in their personal relationships, their education, and their careers. Tip 5, make the choice to change today. As parents, we have the power to break the cycle of punishment and choose a path that builds our children's self-esteem, emotional intelligence. Reflect on your actions, choose understanding, patience, and love. Thank you for watching. If you believe in fostering healthy, positive relationships with your children, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other parents. Bye.